Alright, everyone, welcome to today's recap. I hope you all are doing well and staying blessed. If you guys are new here, my name is Jeremiah. I'm a small cap day trader. I stream every single day, Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I upload my recaps after every trading session, regardless of whether I'm red or green. Today is day 6 of the one trade a day with one share challenge. I've actually altered it a little bit. It's going to be one trade a day with small share size. I don't know if I'm going to change the title or not, but I did this because different stocks have different ranges, as you guys know. Um, and I wanted to still be able to trade stocks with bigger range because if I trade everything with one share, it doesn't really mimic how I would size appropriately for each stock, and I don't want to limit myself in that sense. So, anyways, let's jump right into this trade that I took here. It was on JDZG. This is a Chinese company, and the float on it is 2.77 million shares. Relative volume was 285 times the normal, or the usual. And I don't know, did it have news? Wait, hold on. Yes, it did have news. No, it didn't have news. Sorry. But I traded it because it seemed to be sort of holding up here. And we did have these drops after these candles, but at least each green candle in the 1 minute had closed like fully green, and we were kind of trading in a range here, so I thought I'll give it a stab. Um, and so I had these drawn out, these lines here. It looked like it was respecting, and I was thinking maybe, you know what, maybe I'll take a trade off the 9 EMA, and we have support at $2. Um, and I was sort of looking for it to just maybe tap the 9 EMA and just go. It dipped like a cent lower than the 9 EMA, but that was fine. I was okay with that. And so I'm just watching the level 2. I don't want it to break much below the 9 EMA. I said the stop was right under the 9 EMA. So if it kept going after 97, which the low was 97, so it's fine. It didn't break below 97. That was the low, and then it bounced there. That's what I was looking for. So just tap the 9 EMA, and now holding 2, and we're about to see a little bit of a push here. So I was looking at the level 2 here. I was looking for 10. I wanted to sell around 210. That was my profit target. It's a slower trade. It's a kind of thickly traded. Yeah, so I got out at 209. I was fine with that. I was like, you know what, whatever. But 34 cents, that's 1/3 of my loss yesterday, which I'm okay with. I'm actually happy with that because in hindsight, obviously that stock did have much bigger range. So I did a little bit of calculations, and I realized that stocks with less range, like this one, I'll most likely take with 5 times bigger size than parabolic slash whatever bigger range stocks, because um, I'm able to pull out. I mean, I could have pulled out 10 cents here. Like if I held this one a little bit longer, this would have been a 10-cent winner. But I was happy with 7 cents. That's okay. And yeah, just want to size, or I want to get a better feel for how I should size when I do size up. Um, so yeah, not a bad trade. Um, that was it for today. Uh, it was just that trade, just off the 9 EMA and $2. So I thought that was a somewhat of a solid entry. The stock, I will say, not very good. Right after this, it sold off. Go forward a little bit. Yeah, just like that. So not a great stock. I don't think this is one I should have really traded, if I'm being quite honest with you guys. It's a Chinese stock, no news. Only thing it really had going was it was cheaper and it had a low float. Honestly, it's kind of too cheap. But anyways, I'm grateful to be green. Um, and yeah, that's it for today's recap. I hope you all enjoyed a shorter recap today. There wasn't a lot moving, so I don't really have a whole lot to go over. I think we had some moves at the open, which I'll show you guys. But I don't think yeah, I didn't take any entries. Sorry, no, I don't think I didn't take any entries. We had FSLY. This one was popping up. Up $1.16 in this 5-minute candle. So some opportunity there. Too expensive for me. I also already took my one trade. But I was like hypothetically taking hypothetical trades while I was streaming. I was like, what if you took a bounce off 50 there? It actually worked. So that was good. But anyways, that was it for today. I hope you guys did enjoy, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace.